Next question based on simple interest. The simple interest on a sum of money is 4 by 9 of the principal. Simple interest given है आपको 4 by 9 है principal का. So if the principal value is x, तो your simple interest value is 4 by 9x. Now find the rate percent. You need to calculate r value and time t value. If both are numerically equal, अगर दोनों की value same है means rate and time both are numerically equal. अगर दोनों बराबर हैं तो आपको rate निकालना है और time निकालना है. Please look at the board. Okay. Now let my principal value is x. Simple interest is 4 by 9 of x. This is given in the question. And also rate and times are numerically equal. So either you can take t or r. I can take both as r. Okay, because both are numerically equal. It's given in the question. Now use the formula. Simple interest is what? PRT by 100. This is simple formula of simple interest. Now simple interest is what? 4 by 9 of principal. So I can write here 4 by 9 into x. That is equal to P is what? P is x. R and T are numerically equal. So I can write here R into R. R for this R and T, since these are numerically equal. So I can write R again. Divide by 100. This x and x gone. Now you can solve it directly. So R square from here divide by 100 is equal to what? 4 by 9. This one. So R by 10 used by power method, and this is 2 by 3 whole square. I can rewrite this equation like R by 10. If I use whole square, you will get this previous value, and 2 by 3 whole square, you will get previous value. So I can write like this: 2 and 2 gone. So what is R by 10? So R by 10 is by 3, 2 by 3. So this R value is how? Cross multiply. So this is 20 divided by 3. So R is 6, 2 by 3%. So this is the rate value. So rate is equal to time also. So what will be my time? 6, 2 by 3 year. So you can convert this into year and month. 6 year is fixed, so 6 year. And what is 2 by 3 year in month? So 2 by 3 multiply by 12, you will get 4 into 2. So 6 year, 8 month. This will be the time. So both questions solved. Okay, so you calculate the rate as well as the time, provided the simple interest is what? The 4 by 9 of x is given to you. R and t are numerically equal, and find out the value of R and t. Now next question: at what rate percent per annum will a sum of money double in 16 years? So such kind of question is very important, because here the sum of money may double, may triple, may 4 times in a certain given period of time mentioned in the question. So इसमें पूछता क्या है कि आपको वो रेट निकालना है जहां पर जो पर एनम अमाउंट है, आपका accumulated अमाउंट है, वो या तो डबल हो जाए या ट्रिपल हो जाए या 4 टाइम्स हो जाए या 5 टाइम्स हो जाए in a certain period. यहाँ पे 16 ईयर दे रखा है, okay fine, but it can change after 20 years, 25 years. So I move to this question. Look at the board. It's very important question. So in such kind of question, you need to calculate the R value. Okay. So you need to calculate at what rate per annum my accumulated amount is increased by 2 times. Yeah, means this A is increased double. So how you A is double? P plus A is what? P plus SI. We all know this formula. Now this is double. It mentioned. So this is 2P is equal to P. What is the formula of SI? SI formula is PRT by 100. So immediately you subtract this value. So you will get what? 2P minus P comes P is equal to PRT by 100. P and P gone. RT cross multiply. So P and P gone means 1. P and P gone means 1. Here 1. RT divided by 100. So what is RT? RT is cross multiply 100. So what is my R value? 100 divided by T. 100 time is given to you 16 year. In this case time is given to you 16 year. So if you divide this value, you will get 4 4 to 16, 25 means 6 1 by 4% rate. So my at this percent rate per annum, your accumulated amount is double. what you invested P, and this value is also P. So 2P is equal to P plus PRT by 100. Suppose in the question asked like this, what will be my rate per annum at which your accumulated amount is 3 times tripled? So if your invested amount is P, so 3 times is 3P. 3 times, suppose you invested 1000 rupees and after a certain period of time it get tripled. So 1000 is P, so 3000 is accumulated amount. Okay, so how you approach? Again the same formula, A is equal to P plus SI. This is 3 times of P. If the same question come, PRT by 100, if T is again same, suppose 16 year is given to you, so what will be your rate? Immediately you subtract this value, so 3P minus P gets 2P is equal to PRT by 100. This P and P gone, so RT you cross multiply is equal to 100 into 200. So what is my R value? 200 divided by T. 200 R is equal to what? 200 divided by T value. So 200 T 16 year given to you. So 4 4 is 16, 4 5 20. So 225. So 25 by 2. So your R value is 12 1 by 2%. So at this percent rate, after 16 year, your accumulated amount get tripled. So this is such kind of question. And if suppose the same question come like after 20 years, find the rate percent so that your accumulated amount is 4 times of principal. So again the same formula you apply, P plus SI. Your A is what? 4P is equal to P plus SI. Immediately you subtract, you will get 3P. What is the formula of SI? SI formula is what? PRT by 100. P and P gone. So RT is equal to how much? Cross multiply 300. R is in this case, since T is what? 20 years. So I can put over here. This value is 15. So R is 15% per annum. So at the rate of 15% per annum, after 20 years, my accumulated amount is 4 times of principal.